How are you? In this session, we were shooting at La Huasteca in Monterrey, Mexico. I used a Sony A7 III with 28-70mm zoom lens. The theme was landscape portrait, and I was shooting beautiful Mexican model, Angelica. She was wearing the long dresses, red and blue, to contrast the rocky desert environment for full dramatic effect. The shoot was at midday, but fortunately, there is storms coming up and making beautiful clouds and no direction. We used the reflector to light up the beautiful face of the models when it was needed. I was positioned Angelica in the valley between two mountain ridges behind interesting lights. It was windy too. I told the models to imagine to living in paradise on her own and feels happy but not too excited on her face. Every model loves when they are told, "Smile with your eyes," or perhaps not too much. My post-processing is working with Lightroom for selection and the basic raw conversion. And then I switch to Photoshop for further retouching. Now let's see what it's like. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next photography session. Bye bye.